puffin' and smoking. Everywhere that I go, other girls wanna be poking. Styling, profiling, always late with the fashion. Girl, take the picture, and here is the caption. Girl, I wanna get with ya, yo, check it. Bring your sister, your mama, so we can lay back and fuck all the drama. Hit the ball, don't be no punk. I'll bring the mechanic and y'all can have at it. The drug dealing lord, don't bring out the sword. Hospital patient, homie, be patient. I've got the stuff that will make you cry. Don't do it right, so shut the fuck up high. Yeah, banging on the walls, girl, that shit's tight. That shit's tight. Drinking all night and fucking all night. Fuck all the bullshit and turn out the lights.
Puffin' and smoking, 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 puffin' and smoking.
Yeah, I see you cross the room, looking so fine. I drink tequila, you sip your wine, baby. Maybe you and I could chill in the corner. I saw you walk in, and you was just a loner. Now I got a boner, but you know I'll take it slow with you. You talk to other guys, but they ain't really get you. Take a hit, baby, maybe you could see the future. If anyone can make me feel good, I think you could. But for now, let's just kick it. If you dig it, come and get it, maybe lick it. Tonight lasts forever, with you and me together. In the good or bad weather, puffin' smoking that cheddar. Puffin', smoking, licking, poking. Life is just a game, so I need some more tokens. You man is getting jealous, I don't really care though. Shout out to the homie I used to know, Roberto.
Puffin' and smoking,
yeah,
puffin' and smoking,
yo,
puffin' and smoking, puffin' and smoking, puffin' and smoking, puffin' and smoking,
yeah,
puffin' and smoking, puffin' and smoking. Manish Boy Records.